First, buy a 12 by 12 piece of wood from your local hardware store that is about an inch and a half thick. Pine works the best. Use sandpaper to sand down the edges and corners until all sides are smooth. Afterwards, go to a computer. Pick out an image of your choice. The picture will need to be flipped so it turns out the correct way when you transfer it. Open the picture in the Paint program. In Paint, click on Rotate and go to Flip Horizontal. The image is ready to be printed. Use a laser printer and print on an 8 by 10 sheet of computer paper in black ink. Next, take a large sponge brush, container of Mod Podge, a piece of wood, the printed off image, a blank piece of computer paper, and a rolling pin to a table covered with old newspaper. Place the wood in front of you and make sure it is flipped on the side that you want. Open the container of Mod Podge. Take the sponge brush and dip it into the container of Mod Podge. Scoop out the Mod Podge with the brush. Carefully place it onto the wood. Begin to spread the glue out evenly in the center and cover the areas where the image will be. Repeat the previous step once more. When the Mod Podge has been evenly spread, close the container. Now take your printed image and lay it facing down in the center of the wood. Next, place a blank piece of computer paper on top of the image. With a rolling pin, roll over the paper for at least 15 seconds or until all the air bubbles have been removed. Once all of the air bubbles have been rolled out, remove the blank sheet of paper. Now the Mod Podge will need to dry. After a few hours, the glue should be dry and the paper is ready to be removed from the wood. To do this, fill a small tub up with water and take it to the same table that was used to work on. Afterwards, bring a roll of paper towel to the table as well. Rip off the sheet of the paper towel and soak it in the tub of water. Squeeze out some of the excess water. Open up the paper towel and lay it flat on the wood, covering the back of the image. Press down on the towel and make sure that all areas of the paper are wet, then take out the paper towel. Start to rub on the paper with your fingertips until it begins to peel off of the wood. Re-soak your paper towel and squeeze out more water onto the wood. Repeat this step when necessary. Removing the paper takes time and depends on the work pace of a person. When all of the paper has been removed, let it dry for 24 hours. This is what a finished wood transfer looks like.